YouTube. Wanna know what's exciting today? Well, in the recent past, I've been to this place called Gandikota, where it was organized by this guy called Siddarth. Well, I was aspired, after seeing the modifications that he has done to his bike. So, I just wanted to meet that person with his bike. Maybe I can peek around about what all has he done. So I have called two of my friends. I have sent a random map location at around Outer Ring Road's service road. Maybe that place would be a better place to take this video. So let's check that out. As you can see that helmet, it's aerodynamic. So Sid, as we've been to Gandikota recently, I just got aspired with your bike, man. I mean, with your modifications that you've done on your bike. I'm here to talk about the modifications that you have done to your bike.
Okay. These mods are mostly cosmetic. They are not any. There are no mechanical mods in the bike.
Okay.
As I wanted to keep the bike in warranty.
Okay. That's cool.
So coming straightly to the headlight.
Okay.
The only problem with the bike is the headlight is not efficient enough. Show me the full path. So I changed it to a Philips White Vision. Philips White Vision bulb. And for the highways, I opted for a free U5 LED.
Okay.
So I can get a more wide angle view of the whole way, whole path. So I have done an indicator mod for it. This one is it will give me different flashing patterns.
Okay.
So when I'll be leading the crew, I'll be having different way to alert the oncoming traffic.
Okay.
That there are a group of people coming.
Okay.
Or to stay cautious.
Okay.
This will be for all my 4 indicators. I've done a dual horn setup. This is so that when I'm on the highway, I'm heard.
Okay.
I'm heard by the traffic. And the other one is so that I can not be interfered by the cops in the city.
Okay.
And loud horns are not allowed as per the rules.
So for that, you're using a switch?
Yeah, I'm using a switch for that.
Okay.
This will give me a regular horn, and this will give me a dual horn.
Okay.
So I'll be mostly running on dual horn because the traffic sense we have in India. And now coming to the seat. This was done a week before the Gandikota trip we went.
Okay.
And it was a long trip of 400 one way, 400 kilometers one way. These seats are not comfortable. So I have recushioned the seats at Santosh in Ramkoti.
Okay.
And accented it according to my bike color.
Oh.
This cost me about 400 rupees.
Okay. So you foamed the seat, right?
Yeah. This I have recushioned this area.
Okay.
So that I can get some support on the bike.
And how about the back seat?
And this is so that the pillion does not fall on me while I'm braking.
Okay, that's great.
Because
so you've increased this height?
Yeah, I lifted this height so that they would slip on me.
Okay.
And normally, in opinion, would be holding my tank
Yeah.
while I'm riding.
Okay.